The Threesome Mascara comes in one color, the most important color, black. It's water resistant, it volumizes, it has a 3D effect, and it conditions your eyelashes. So the best way to apply mascara is to remove all the excess first, that you don't have too much and it doesn't clump your eyelashes together. You lift your head, you're looking down into the mirror, and you apply upwards, from the roots to the tips. My favorite thing about this product is I do like the name. I think it's quite cheeky, and in fact that it has something for your good ingredients for your eyelashes, nourishing components for your eyelashes, and you can remove it in one piece without damaging your eyelashes. Makes it very attractive.